Kani kedai ke Batisi TV, bat pidang pet ya ke kubur baman kasni, belawan rasa pi da ke rupa, ringkat bat ke orange Nissan, lom sokpo near Fire Brigade Shillong.
New Nissan Kicks. Bookings open now.
Kakat pratarik unai lor kedai kesngi krau nak benta kirunget jong ke Balang, mani Weiblay, kata ke Balang Unitarian. Namar dai hakani kesngi, haus nam kat praspa prapunyau, laseng ye kini kaniam, da wai ni kirang ba, ubabu hajam kisorsing. Nado kata kapor, man bapoi kini katareng, kakat pratarik unai lor, kadai kesngi ke bakirunget jong ni ke Balang, kida nyau kentang yaka, da ke bapelong ru ye ke Jingrakhe, haman ki Balang, badan kini kaniam. Hakani kakat pratarik unai lor menta usnam arja ke kendairu. Kireunget jong kani ke Balang, kilai shimbenta sirham haka Jingrakhe ye ke lengko usnam, ke basis pa lai puar jong kani ke Balang. Kawai ni ke Jingrakhe ye kini kesngi ke balayo bansaki, kadai ke bala pelong, da ke Balang Unitarian Madan Laban Shillong, haka bala pelong da ke jeseng haka nok pai sngi. Hakani ke Jingrakhe hakani ke Balang lai don katru, menteri rangba ke jela, konrad kongkal sangma, balalong kongsan. MLA kani kathan uba sanbor shulai kom sembot kongsan, bad MDC kani kathan uba Michelle Wankar, bad kiwe de ki bala sagot sobha. Unongkran ubalawan ban ajing kran kerpang, halor kani ke Jingrakhe hakan kesngi, udai Reverend Derek P. Pariat, naka Balang Unitarian nong Thama Shillong. Hakani ke Jingrakhe hakan Laban, kawan bersaki Laban, dan kiwe Laban, naka Laban dijadinya,
The Unitarian Church should take a lead in this too. Should take a lead from the lives of our forebears. Joseph Priestley, Charles Darwin, Isaac Newton, Charles Dickens, Florence Nightingale, Olympia Brown, Thomas Jefferson, Albert Schweitzer, Robert Fulgham, Nero Ho, Margaret Barr, Hajjambi Sorsing, to mention a few. All of these great souls have contributed in the betterment of the world we live in. Let us strive to become one. So the theme calls us. The church is to be a place emulating unity where there is truly no Jew or Gentile, no slave, no master, no male or female. For that matter, we, the Unitarian Church all around the world, and even here in the Khasi Hills, welcome all God's children, straight, lesbian, gay, bis, trans and queer. We are called to become one. We are called to be one human family, regardless of doctrine, denomination and creed. We are called to be one family, brothers and sisters, family united in God. We are to be one. Today we celebrate the 132nd birthday of Khasi Unitarianism. A birthday is also a reminder for all of us of the power of memory, as it gives one pause to stop and reflect on the journeys of one's life as an individual and as a faith group, both on where it has gone before and where it might be leading. Dear friends, take time to pause. Maybe like me, most of us would like this idea that we must look backward in order to go forward. We must look backward in order to go forward. For it saves memory from becoming simply a maudlin nostalgia trip. Instead, it serves a purpose of continuity and hope. That is, the past, as the Jews have taught us, is put to use in the service of the present and of the future. Another way to think about this is to say that we need to take stock of our lives on a regular basis. We need to take stock of where we've been and where we are and where we're going, in a way of restoring order to our world and of recreating ourselves as individuals and as a religious group. People who love us and agree and are glad to see our faces. For people are the greatest gifts, and you cannot put a price tag on friendship. You cannot buy a shared past. You cannot replace a lost love. But you can be about the business of living and loving, and then you will not only be redeemed in the present, you will also be creating a past worth remembering, a past which is precious. In this way we can redeem those inevitable losses which accompany time's passage and help create the better world of which we dream. Remembering what we have loved and lost can remind us of what is that makes life worth living in the present moment. This, I think, is ultimately what religion is about. It's about loving God by loving those people around us who are the embodiment of God. So does 132 years ago Hajjami Singh professed. Religion is about loving people and loving God. The word religion, religare in Greek, in Latin means to remind together. Religion is what we do when we attempt to take stock, when we attempt to make whole of our fragmented lives, no matter from what religious tradition you come, or whether you claim any tradition at all. It is what you must do if you are to feel alive and if you are to become fully human. You must take the broken shards of life and try to put them together in the semblance of the beautiful thing you long for your life to be. Only you can do this for your life, because only you hold within you the pieces, those bits of the precious past that only you and those you love can fully understand and share. By committing to reduce and refuse materials that affect the environment, such as plastic. Dear friends, and all Unitarians in particular, look well therefore to this day, the day our church celebrates the 132nd anniversary of its establishment. Look well to this day and commit to doing good together. In worshiping God, we become one, says the theme of this anniversary celebration. So let us join hands in worshiping the Almighty Creator and Provider by showing obeisance and reverence to His web of creation, of which we are a part, by preserving and nurturing the pristine beauty of our streams and rivers, of our hills and mountains, and also by encouraging ourselves and others to do so. The Unitarian singer and composer Peter Meyer reminds us that we have to make this world a cleaner place, because the wide universe is the ocean we travel, and the earth is our blue world home. The Unitarian Universalist Church of Atlanta Choir, the last time they were here, they sang, I can change the world with my own two hands. I can change the world, make it a better place, make it a safer place and a brighter place with my own two hands. Unquote. Yes, we can. Yes, we can with our own two hands. Do so many things, my dear friends, with our own two hands. We can hold each other with our own two hands. We can comfort each other with our own two hands. Likewise, we can all join hands to become one amongst us and with God. This act is sacred. It is rewinding, reconnecting with nature and with ourselves. It will definitely make us become one. We will understand each other better. We will respect our differences and will cherish our similarities. It's not irrelevant in our context, because Hajjami Singh was ahead of his times. He had 132 years ago spoken of the need to preserve the environment. Let us, as one, do something good, and let us do it with love, as our religion says that we live not for ourselves alone, but for others too. We are not a fair-weather religion, my dear Unitarians, but we are a faith of all seasons. For all its shortcomings, the Unitarian Church stands for something different. It stands and it reminds us that love is the doctrine of this church, the quest of truth is its sacrament, and service is its prayer, to dwell together in peace, to seek knowledge and freedom, to serve humankind in fellowship. So may it be. Friends, when Reverend was speaking, of course, he mentioned about the different spiritual aspects that my late father and our family used to, or always in fact we do. And yes, it's true. It's very true. And I can tell you that our upbringing and the way God has played a role in the lives of each and every member in my family, is nothing short of miracles, I should say. My father was born in a very, very poor family. But what is most important is to always remember that God is always there and has to be part of your life. I tell young children whenever I go to schools to meet them, I tell them that you must speak to God in good times and bad times. In bad times, we always remember God. Exams are coming, you remember God. You have a test tomorrow, you remember God. Sometimes you need to thank God also for the blessing that He has given to you. And I think I heard today when Reverend was speaking, and it's so wonderful to hear such words. Religion is a part of your life, everything you do. And it's so nice to see that this is a kind of worshipping and the ideology with which the Unitarian Church is doing. We all know in today's world there are many forces that try to divide us. Many situations we face where many religious situations come up which lead to communal tension. And that's the reality of this world today. And that's at one end of the spectrum, making each other fight because of religion. And here it's so gratifying and satisfying and wonderful to see the other side of the spectrum. We always saying that religion actually can bring us all together. I think in today's world, this message must be given throughout the state, throughout the country, throughout the world in fact. I am not a very religious person, contrary to what Reverend was mentioning. But I do believe in God. Some small things I want to share with you. That yes, whenever anything is there, good or bad, I speak to God. Every time I'm about to speak in a public function, I always make sure I just say one line to God. Speak through me. Let your words come out to me. I always say, whether it's a religious program or it's a political program, whether it's a school program, it's something that I do, always. Because I'm a human being, I don't know. I may speak the wrong thing or the right thing, my knowledge is limited. But then when I surrender to Him, I just keep on talking to Him. And so I do that. And as I was mentioning that religion should be in everything that you do in your life. And yes, that's how it should be. I was very happy to hear that the Unitarian Church has always also believed in ensuring that the environment should be protected. This is our earth. Nobody is going to come and repair it if we don't do it ourselves. And yes, I'm so happy to see our principal CEO. I must tell you, a tremendous effort is being put in my name and his team. I can see now where this faith is coming from. But I must tell you, it's not one-man show. And as rightly mentioned by Reverend Pariat, that we do need to all come together. I'm happy to hear that this message is coming out from such a platform. we are doing our part. I would also urge each and every one of us that we do need to take action, and it has to be now. And it can be in small ways, it doesn't have to be in big ways. Again, just the way the teachings go, that religion has to be part of your life. Similarly, the love for the environment also has to be part of your life. It cannot be just a superficial action that you do, just by going and cleaning up one day, putting up gloves and saying, I care for the environment. No. That is superficial. It has to be in every step or every work or every day you live. You must live for the earth.